Global superstar Priyanka Chopra Jonas has reportedly achieved a monumental benchmark, commanding a record fee of 30 crore rupees. That is approximately $3.6 million for S.S. Rajamouli's upcoming film Varanasi. Well, this figure has officially positioned her as the highest paid female star in Indian cinema. This is a significant victory for female stars fighting for their financial worth. The reported fee surpasses the remuneration of her female contemporaries in India, representing a landmark moment that validates Priyanka Chopra's decades of work and international brand value. Her success in both Bollywood and Hollywood has clearly amplified her market price, forcing the industry to recognize her bankability as a leading star. And this accomplishment is a much-needed shot in the arm for the conversation around gender pay parity, proving that female actors can and should demand and receive salaries that reflect their star power. While Chopra Jonas's record is cause for celebration, it simultaneously throws a spotlight on the severe and systemic gender pay gap that persists in show business worldwide. The reported figure of 30 crore rupees for the highest paid actress pales in comparison to the salaries which are commanded by her top male counterparts in the same industry, where major male stars often charge in excess of 100 crore rupees, that's nearly $12 million per film. This massive parity is not limited to Indian cinema. It is a global issue. This year, the highest paid actor in Hollywood, reportedly Scarlett Johansson, earned a staggering $14.8 billion after the success of Jurassic World Rebirth. However, when looking at the context of salary earnings for a single year of franchise, the gap remains profound. To put the chasm into perspective, top male actors associated with global franchises are often reported to command total earnings that often reach $75 million to $100 million for a single major production, with the very top actors reaching figures or annual earnings far exceeding the top actresses. Chopra Jonas herself has been vocal about this inequality, once stating that she was paid only about 10% of a male co-star's salary in Bollywood during the initial days of her career. The record-breaking fee for Chopra is a triumphant step for gender equality, yet the numbers serve as a grim reminder that even at the pinnacle of female stardom, the financial validation remains drastically undervalued when measured against the earning power of male stars. The conversation must now shift from celebrating records to closing the gap entirely.